The Dolomites. Tucked away in the northeast of Italy, this mountain range is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. Jagged peaks, towering cliffs, endless alpine trails. Among them, some of the toughest and most beautiful hikes you'll ever find. These are the Alta Vias, the Alpine highways. In June 2025, I set out to hike nearly 100 kilometers on one of the toughest, the Alta Via 2. It pushed me to my limits, brutal elevation, rugged terrain, and unpredictable weather, but it was unforgettable. This video is the story of that journey, what I saw, what I learned, and what I'd do differently. If you're planning your own adventure on the Alta Vias, or just want to experience it from afar, then this one's for you.